Hi guys, welcome to our travel adventure. It's a sunny day out there. We are starting our journey from Colombo. We are planning to visit three places in this tour. First, Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage. Second, Ahspokuna Holiday Resort. Third, Ridi Viharaya. Our first destination is Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage. We are taking the route via Hanwella and Phogahawella to Pinnawala. It's not a shorter route, obvious, but we want to be adventurous. Let's go. At Pinnawala Orphanage, there are two main areas to visit. One is where you can feed the elephants. The other area is where you can see how they bath. Today we are enjoying the bathing area. Next, we are heading to Ahspokuna Holiday Resort. It's a nice, calm, and budget-friendly place to stay. We book a room for about 9,000 LKR per night, and we ordered dinner and seafood platter separately from their restaurant. The seafood platter is the main highlight here. It's rich and tasty. So our next stop is beautiful and ancient temple Ridi Viharaya. It's been a great journey too so far, but now it's time to head back. Thank you for joining us on trip today. Stay tuned for more adventures. Please leave your comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you next time and happy travels.